Hello, ChoroQ fans. We're going to learn about a World War II vehicle today called the Krupp Protze. I'm not pronouncing that properly. I'm not German, but we're going to have to go with it. So you'll see it's a 3-axle vehicle, but ChoroQ made it a 2-axle vehicle. I'm not sure why they did that. It's a 6x4 is what Wikipedia is saying. It says 4-wheel drive, although it has 6 wheels. Alright, you can see a machine gun turret here, and ChoroQ's got that going on. So this is a really popular vehicle. Over 7,000 of them were made in World War II between 1934 and 1941. And so Krupp was the actual designer and manufacturer of this. And it was used not only by Germany, but also Hungary as well. It was used mostly on the Eastern Front, so it would be in the North African campaign, like a desert thing, or also in France and Sicily, like this. Alright, let's take a look. It was primarily used to move artillery around and also the mechanized troops. So a troop carrier and carrying anti-tank cannons around. Alright, so this must be for the European campaigns, being gray. Let's see how old this is actually. It says number C19. Oh yeah, combat. So Choro had this combat line, and I guess this is casting number 19, so I have a lot more to collect. Alright. It's actually made in Japan, and oddly there's no year. It was totally blanked out. What about this one? Yeah, weird. There's no actual copyright year. I don't know why they would do that. It's actually patented. There was a patent or patent on this toy. Interesting. You'll see the tires are still good. I'm going to have to assume this toy is over 15 years old. Screw in the front, tab in the back, standard stuff. We have the old red and yellow motor inside of this thing. This is a pullback toy. It's got some gray standard 5-spoke wheels. There's actually like a spare thing molded up here. It's got better details than here. Would have been cool if they molded, particular wheels for this, because this one actually matches the photographs. So, alright, like the photograph, there's a storage box here on this side of the vehicle, and then it's corrugated back. This is really weak. It's just totally smooth. There's no corrugation whatsoever. Just a German vehicle sticker here. And then there's a trailer hitch. So I don't know if this was a set and they actually had the PaK-36 anti-tank artillery there. But anyways, it's meant to tow something. I think this could be my first ChoroQ that has a tow hitch. I can't remember. So this machine gun here rotates. It's probably like an MG34 or MG42 or something. And then you can actually see the motor there. There's the gear of it. Alright. Yeah, the tires on that side. And there's literally a sticker. I don't know what that sticker is. Maybe a division or something. Or the grill kind of matches the photographs. Alright, some headlights there. It's a really funky design. It seems to be a pretty funky looking truck in real life. And then ChoroQ just makes it even goofier. The front fenders here around it, but the back is all square, and that seems pretty accurate to the real thing. So, alright, well that's that one. I'm going to guess this is the exact same casting, which it looks it, but it has 2 open holes. It doesn't have the spare tires. Okay, and then the wheels now turn brown, same with the base. It says German vehicles again, has the tow hook, and the gun is brown. It's got like a desert camo effect going on with the paint. Also, there's 2 holes down here, so maybe there's another variation where something's pegging into those holes down there. So, yeah, if I find it for a decent price, I'll get it. I've run out of a lot of the normal-looking ChoroQ cars to collect, so I used to collect a lot of World War II miniatures, and I made all the model kits that Tamiya did back when I was a kid, so I even had 16-scale RC tanks from Tamiya. Those things are awesome. Alright, let's get these things spinning and look at the few other Choro combat vehicles that I have. So the first one I got was this Panzer IV. You can see the tank is much wider because the tank is literally going around. The treads are going around the tire system. So this is a Tiger 1. Probably my favorite World War II tank as far as its design. It just looks brute force, you know, no sloped armor or anything. Here's a really old school one. This is the Panzer IV, but from 1980 something. See, usually ChoroQs have a date when they're made, 82 to 83. So this thing is old, probably older than you. All right, so that's my Choro combat collection, it seems, and I know I have to get many more castings. You know what? Hold on here. Since these are trucks, granted they're missing an axle, here's a Mercedes G-Wagon with a military camo on it. So you can see, you know, all these Choros are based around that spring motor, and they generally have, most of them have the same axle spacing, it seems. Alright. Alright, well, today we learned about the Krupp whatever you want to call it, Protze? I don't know how to pronounce this stuff. We'll see you in the next ChoroQ combat video. Alright, stay safe, wear a bulletproof vest.